Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to merge ledgers in Tally Prime. First, open your Tally Prime software and access the chart of accounts. This is where you will find a comprehensive list of all your created ledgers. Carefully review this list to pinpoint any duplicate entries that need to be consolidated. Identifying these duplicates is the crucial initial step before proceeding with the merging process. This ensures data accuracy and streamlines your accounting records effectively. Once you have identified the ledgers, select the one you wish to keep as the main entry. This will be your primary ledger. Next, go to the duplicate ledger that you want to merge into the primary one. Access its alteration screen and change its name to exactly match the primary ledger's name. Tally Prime will then prompt you to confirm the merging action, consolidating all transactions from the duplicate into the chosen primary ledger. This action is irreversible, so proceed with caution. After renaming the duplicate ledger, Tally Prime will present a confirmation message. It is vital to carefully read and confirm this prompt to proceed with the merge. Once confirmed, navigate back to your chart of accounts. You should now observe that only the primary ledger remains, with all associated transactions from the previously duplicate entry now consolidated under it. This step ensures that the merging process was successful and your data is now unified. To maintain clean and accurate accounting records, it is highly recommended to regularly audit your ledgers. This proactive approach helps prevent the accidental creation of duplicate entries in the first place. Furthermore, establishing and adhering to consistent naming conventions for all new ledgers will significantly reduce the likelihood of future merging needs. A well-organized chart of accounts with unique ledger names ensures efficient data management and simplifies your financial reporting processes considerably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.